All right, journal entry number 7, July 17, 2025, New York Open. Two trades, one on the ES, one on the NQ, 1-1. First trade was a loss on the ES. Second trade was a win on the NQ. Overall positive day. We made about 1.3 R. The first trade, both trades were opening ranges bounces, right? I'm looking at the 100 tick chart here on the NQ and a 1 minute chart here on the Nasdaq. Now, on setup wise, the let's start with the first trade, which was a losing trade. So I'm gonna use red. That's a new nice one. The setup, right? We at the open, we rallied, of course, and waited for that opening range break and retest. Now, I'm gonna give myself an A B on the setup, B plus on the setup. Now, the reason that I'm giving my B plus on the setup is this. Now, let me just zoom in a little bit right here. All right. Now, B plus on the setup. Now, because here was the line that I should have waited for price to close above. I didn't wait for that. I just waited for this candle, bullish candle. My stop losses were below these lows where I got stopped out at a loss. So I boxed perfectly the trade, but didn't execute. Execution is a C. My execution is a C minus. Why? Why? Because I didn't wait it for that candle close above the previous high for a real continuation. So overall, a shitty trade. Well, not a shitty trade, a good opening range bounce setup, but my execution was all kinds of fucked. Now on the downside, on the upside, but down on my screen, 5 contracts long on the NQ that hit targets, pretty nice opening range bounce. So if we look here at the 5 minute chart, let's have a look at the 5 minute chart. And I'm going to delete everything here. So pretty nice execution here on the NQ. Let's go to the 1 minute chart actually. 1 minute chart setup. I'm giving myself an A plus. A plus setup here on the NQ longs. Very nice comeback or pullback towards the zone. Enter here, targets here. So A plus on setup and execution NQ, and very much positive for. Ooh, I'm going to delete that. Looks like something diabolical. Yeah. Very nice and profitable trading day today, sir. So kudos done for the day, and I am out.